come home. Yalla you alone. Come up on the cocky like I have for VH1. Come back clot. Can't a fine blood clot. It's in a low shit. She said I'm gonna the blood clot and every day I'm alone. I'm gonna ask you. Hello? No, sir. Uno good evening. I'm gonna ask. Good evening, people and people. Hey, look here. I'm going to say it as pleasant as possible this morning. You see me? I am not blood clot pretty. I want to share this. I want to share this. Good morning, my good clean mother. Good. No, sir. No, sir. What a weird. No, sir. People, good morning. What a weird beanie she ain't take set for the blood class 6 them she. No, sir. Beanie say book the 6 them and the 6 them don't come. I am sure Beanie you're wicked, you know. Beanie you don't say you are wicked. Them say you love fight dog people career. I'm not asking me. Just I say a shot to say about this below. And then the 6 them come back and say they never get no down payment Beanie. Beanie they say you never put on nut cheddar. The people they say nut cheddar at all no reach over 6 camp. And 6 camps say they have enough blood clot problem and they couldn't take up your one from their head, Beanie. Beanie the man them a struggle with them weight, them a blood clot mobile. You get it? And right now you are gonna tell them wicked lie up on the 6 camp. And just see man them a cry because them do them that are some face. Don't bring them the youth them career Beanie, go and get a blood clot walker. Go and get a walker and go sit down in one corner, sir. You look a foot them fine like chicken foot. But tell you boy, you look a scrawny foot them when you have your foot them straight like. Leave the little boy them alone, the 2 blood clot wicked for big man. That's why your teacher cannot grade. Because you do not like to bring up the younger ones and you like to tear them the young artists them as them come. 6, big up on the blood clot self on the belly big. But be the wrong for wearing blood clot. As me tell you in a 6, me rate all on the song them in a but hey, I mean say blood clot, that the one. Oh. I mean say blood clot, that the one. Big up blood clot, that the one. Mix up the G&G with the bio. You remember how what you want to see my face? Did I get well blood clot touchy with the blood clot depths of darkness? Me blood clot I bring it out back out to the blood clot depths because guess what I'm here getting a walk around with blood clot cold face. You understand? No so good enough do that. Me allow out Beanie. Alright now I want to share this now. I hear something really come about. So last night me make a post on dirty blood clot Pretty page. When me I say boy give thanks to my blood clot wife because my wife have to dig out my hole. You understand me? Yes, I'm glad for my confused life. Let me tell you no blood clot sitting goody and gooder. Goody and gooder. Let me tell you no blood clot something. You see the one lesbian? Yes, me don't know about blood clot die car whatever the fuck you call no blood clot one another. Butch, fooch, this, that, blood clot. I don't give a fuck about that. Goody me, I want a human being. And yes, my hole get blood clot wet. Me not ask you goody. Me I tell you. Every time I look for it and I come tell what's the true blood clot. You don't see it just like boy so when the blood clot before the one my pussy start sweat and blood clot me. What before you take it up and give one man make him stab it out. Your blood clot. Goody I hear blood clot job for stab it out. You're a lesbian to you must like pussy. From you is a lesbian is must because he's a lover of pussy. Oh, you mean to say I don't want lesbian, I don't want near my blood clot hole. Near the whole of my blood clot pussy, Goody, me not ask you. Goody, when me support your blood clot hole, me not hesitate, me not procrastinate. Goody, me not ask you, no. The whole I want to get this blood clot lesbian thing confused. The whole I want to see this whole of blood clot girl pick me and walk up and down in a man clothes. So they say, oh, I want better version of a man, this no girl is still one bitch. You still have to come over here to come near pussy and fuck pussy Goody. If you never take up that the blood clot straight in your blood clot and like Samsung girl put it down. Put down blood clot lesbian life because the whole of them come talk about say, oh, me the feminine one, me not do nothing good here with the blood clot there. If you don't understand me, don't take up lesbian life. You have to have blood clot energy like the Energizer bunny. for blood clot outside about because we fuck all night. We are two blood clot bitch. A drip of pussy a drip down there. All the time we come we still a fuck and a go more. Don't blood clot come with it. Don't blood clot come with this. All I know, don't know if a man miss blood clot state them in our house, but yeah, I'm a man this in a way. You know, sister, one blood clot girl that with one blood clot pussy and two titty. Fuck the blood clot girl. You brighty dirty pussy girl. You are laid up on blood clot pillar princess every day. Blood clot beef, just get up, boy. Just stop out your whole of your ball. More blood clot ball to Goody. Goody can return the fuck me, I beg you. You see the same fuck that you put on in your big blood clot catches a while ago? Come fuck out for me tight one. Me tired feet blood clot tight, Goody. Come fuck out all of blood clot. If you don't want to deal the blood clot, your finger out your hole. Me don't understand how to get this a whole of blood clot confusion you from. What kind of confusion am I talking about? Me a blood clot up and need love too. I am not confused about my blood clot, me being a hermaphrodite. No, me a live my life. When I'm sick already, me a blood clot Ling and me a blood clot pretty, cocky, pussy. Me not do this. I want the bumper clot there. Me a Ling, me a pretty, cock, pussy. Me not ask. It's there for do. So there's days when I go want my hole get stabbed out, and there's days when I want to stab out hole. So that's why I make sure I come over the lesbian part. Because I don't think the boy I go want me if I put her one deal and shove in a batty wall. I remember go on to put the batty wall and I rub Thumper in a blood clot him. Because Thumper shot, you know. No boy not go want open out him bumper wall like that and make me rub Thumper in a batty wall. So at the end of the day, I have to go there with one blood clot female. Go to some can rub Thumper in her little pussy for her. Make her little clip get festive and my little Thumper get him little broke. You understand me? Don't blood clot ramp with me. And when the blood clot days, I don't know my wife take out. Hey, but now my wife take out the blood clot anger in my crotches. What's that already? Mr. Daddy, when the blood clot, you want to wind up on stiff things too. You want to put stiff things in your hole, I want in my hole back. Well, I want to have this blood clot lesbian life confused because the whole of the blood clot are idiots. Me don't know, you know, which part in a creation of life when I go tell me say two blood clot dry pussy bitch. In a one blood clot bed, one of them a fuck one with dildo and the one that what time don't fuck you with dildo, she just lie up on her bed so and burn one split. Move your blood clot! Move with the blood clot, what kind of fuck go so? No. Return the blood clot favor goodie. Me not ask him my pussy one drip too. Me want to get near out just like I'm near out you goodie. Find out what me like and do what my blood clot like. But I ask if a blood clot do it. I am not asking you for blood clot do it, me I tell you. This is a blood clot lesbian relationship. Whether you're lesbian with a blood clot hermaphrodite or not. Me, Thumper, my pussy is good. You understand me? When my pussy goes up, I want blood clot fucking night. You understand me? I do that when that Thumper him do him look a blood clot stiff mentality. Him get feel like a pussy for rubbing like blood clot grease. Yeah, you have no blood clot ramp with me. The whole owner is blood clot lesbian don't have it wrong. But yo, the one who just like man and work around and toughy so no I him for give fuck on me if you take it fuck. Hey girl, go and go get a man no girl. If you just want a man product, if you just a fuck out your blood clot belly, go on to a man no go there. You just see over the wrong part. And the wrong part this. Go there you have to fuck over your sato. You see when me done fuck out your hole? Prepare bitch. Come. Open. I'm ready. What the fuck do you want wine to? More bumble clot my eye, more tremble to the blood clot there. When me see my wife, oh gosh. When you see my wife catch blood clot me, you know. Oh, all the two look at it them say, you know. Suck off the two look at it them, you know. And bite up the two look at blood clot, right, you know. Bite up, yes, you know. Bite, hey. Moving the blood clot, you know, the blood clot, they will stand that relationship, go there. But, oh, yeah, man, my girlfriend this now. You want to go on my butch. She put on the dildo. And then I open up my stick in the front. And just making shove up a blood clot dildo in there. And fuck, and fuck, and fuck, and fuck, and fuck. Wanna sound like blood clot, idiot. Wanna sound like blood clot, idiot. Me a fuck back the girl. Me a fuck her back. Anyone on the blood clot girl don't feel like someone would have fuck her back just because I do not like girl. If you don't feel like you need to fuck back your girlfriend, it's just because you don't like girl. Go on to the man them. I want to them fuck out girl, yeah. Let me tell you something. I want to fuck out girl. You get a blood clot draw out and look at some spliff tail shit here. I want to look a fuck out girl with the man them done with. You don't come over here son just because you know so the dildo over here son I go complain about on a big hole. You just want the blood clot man girl them for further. Put on the blood clot cocky and rub out one left out on the dirty hole. Good remember telling you this. Stay up on the blood clot man side and finish yourself. Do not come over here so because nobody not turn on the dirty girl in a Pula princess. Fucking bride. Come name some pussy. Get it? What the fuck you did think? What do you think, sir? Are you alone to get name over here, sir? Girl, come suck some pussy. And fuck some pussy too. Come suck and fuck some pussy. Not that you don't see a lesbian. My must can rub my pussy in your face. I like that. I'm a freak. You feel me? When we see you down there, give me blood clot head. And then I know see your finger my hole. And then one any blood clots in your hand to my hole after that, baby. Daddy do it. I'm ready for your blood clot. I'm ready for wind up and up and every blood clot thing where you buy and strap around your waist. Me and you a fuck and that is how it blood clot a go. Me not no blood clot rules and me not think say me and no blood clot girl fi lie down in a bed. Me if just a shoot blood clot cocky. First of all, my back problem. Yeah, I want you to do surgery. I want you to do blood clot surgery. So me not go a blood clot beat out my back. Pan no blood clot tired body girl. When nobody tired like the blood clot girl in my back road. 3 o'clock in the morning. Good day, me now blood clot done out my little pigment in my spine. Pound all tired, dirty blood clot whole bus body. On all us. None of them can go tumble up and blood clot me. Fuck me, I fuck you. Fuck me, I fuck you. Fuck me, I fuck you. I want other way to do that. On the blood clot a idiot, you know. On always make people bumbo clot tell on them something about yo. Here, here the straight. I only make the straight people them look power like idiot. Here straight people them. I who fuck who? Oh, the one that just like man and you fuck the one that just like girl. I only make people ask them stupid question there. Straight people the two we get fuck over yassa. Boy clothes, girl clothes. I want you the whole that we get fucking our hole over here so. The one that just like man get fucking at hole. The one that just like blood clot girl get fucking at hole too. Yes, goody. I saw it go. A lesbian thing. Your mouth, my mouth. We make sure the 69 so nobody has seen before nobody. Everybody has seen one blood clot time. Everybody and your pussy in peace. So my time you have all of a break. For the 69 sheet. When we put the blood class 69 sheet, we have to break sometime because boy, the time babes lick out some spot and they tell me you have a blood clot, then you have a break. Go back up there for lick again with the blood clot there. Your blood clot stay there, fuck for festive. Everybody feel there make blood clot nice. Everybody feel make nice, everybody feel fuck and enjoy. Every blood clot, but if you fuck and enjoy them blood clot self clit and rub. What the blood clot yo? When you see what the blood clots fuck yeah man and the best lesbian fuck that. That's a rub so them say a rub pad cover, call it what you will, Jamaican dirty people. We are not blood clot pelengeleng around here. We are blood clot pelengeleng with the pussy them. We just a rub with blood clot. Dear sir, sweet your fuck. So I tell you have grandma DM slang. But so bubble me. I want to fight blood clots. I want to eh? Clot. Everybody seen sometime go there. It will always see as a blood clot. We go there as a walk with front gate. Go there. Go there as a walk in the blood clot. Yeah, and the matter not even move from the corner around here. So the whole of we are seen. Me just glad to me and my wife and do it in blood clot piece. When you see when blood clot I rub them pot cover, I don't know normal in this blood clot or say get a ball in here. Me just go out with my wall wearing blood clot self. So by the time me all a wine to blood clot, me all a Bluetooth, the blood clot come go them in our ask. Move them, hey, wait. I want to know what we are fuck. Hey, when me and my wife a fuck and I not joke fuck. When it gonna be a joke fuck? Can't be a blood clot joke fuck, a happy fuck. This a fuck you sweet because it's too tired no blood clot when we're done. We just have to go our bed. Mommy, what you do here? Mommy, leave us. Please, leave us. Mother, leave us right now. Yeah, because your daughter over here start talk all kind of worrying when you go out with mommy must go now because she know me here. Oh. But say, go to me now ask you, blood clot. Hey, all I want to get a talk about say, oh, rub pad cover for sweet. Goody? Not sweet, so blood clot. I say me have tumper, you know. Goody, remember say me have tumper. So you see with the head, look at tumper just out here, so. You see, oh. Pussy clot, don't buy HIV look yourself, you know. Sometimes, boy, when you see me start blood clot, when I come, don't she want to come down and watch ya. Baby, me not ask none of blood clot. Una me a tell you no. Una have everything wrong. You una make blood clot. The whole of straight people them a get it wrong. The straight people them say, oh fuck, oh. No man, you're an idiot. You know, sister, the one who go like blood clot man, do all the fucking no babes, but want fucking on my blood clot hole. So I want to you. I want to claim to say lesbian life confused. I want to make it sound confused, but I want to tell people say, una butch fuck, una butt, una no fuck, una butch. Una sound like one load of blood clot idiot. Tell the blood clot man them say you fuck the man girl and the man girl fuck you. And that you for blood clot tell them the whole of look a fucking idiot lesbian. You wanna fool you fuck. But you wanna have one next blood clot girl I put her and sitting and just a shoving her on the wall so. You no fool. Top of a president. Top of a blood clot president. Why? It's my joy. Remove the blood clot and always ask. Wanna say the man want them not to get fucking at them all. Why? Not all shot. So on a dirty boy, on always look on the man and the man tell about say, you know that some fuck you want in your wall for act like blood clot, girl. That you want, babes? You rather want man fuck out your little man body hole? And that you rather? You rather want man fuck out your big, strong, ugly man body than the girl where you fuck with the dildo? That you tell me? You strong body, dirty girl. You strong body, man blood clot body girl. Remember asking you know, man body. Man body, you want to take up your... Hey, and up a foreigner, the butch there so sour. A big sour stinking butch. Some big old fat nasty slabber one. Look like one blood clot bag of cement. That's big. You understand me? So who not tell me say, one of them the big toasty blood clot, big heavyweight, dirty, sunny girl there. I push them the blood clot in the food hole. Them the big tramp dirty girl there. No, let's cuss that somebody. Hold on. One glass. Now give me the blood clot disinfectant. I come go on life like how life is dirty. Life is not clean. Where it has ever been that. Show it to me. Life has never been clean, honey. So therefore, I bring life to you like what life is truly is. Shit. You get it? Yeah. All I want to get up, I want to live in a look at imaginary blood clot world about life, this, life, that. Wish I want to can get up and tell me so I want to truly blood clot happy. You know, I want to sell some want to bills a kilo, no. When a blood clot this, when a blood clot stress out, but I don't know, I cause my blood clot bad with them. If you don't want to hear bad word, this is not the program for you to suck on no matter. I want to do the blood clot. When I tell you someone want to like me, remember say I am Ling, I am not pretty that. Remember me not like you. So you want to tell me that? It don't make no blood clot sense to me go there. All who don't want to hear the bad word, they must still over here is a fucking idiot. I only want fool. This, the fuck? What the fuck is you doing here? We talk about sucking pussy over here, so. Girl and girl and name out, they want another pussy. When I get it wrong, so I straighten it out for the straight people. Two girl and get fucking in their room. Two girl fuck out them one another all in a room. They were sodomite. Not because you see one in a blood clad pants and one in a skirt. They fuck them one another in a them pussy. Then name them one another pussy. I want to want me to clean it up. So when two women are together, vaginal penetration is on both sides. Oral sex is on both sides. Whether you're more masculine or feminine, it's sex. So therefore, because both of them are women, you'll find that they have vaginas and penetration is needed for a vagina, and the other one penetrate the other one, so the other one penetrate the other one. You understand me? And that's how you fucking do that. A big blood clot people audience over here. So I never call a Christian, I never call a Muslim, I never call a blood clot Judaism over here. So I don't call no kind of spirituality over here. So I come over here and indoctrinate me. Suck up a body hole. Your beliefs and my beliefs are two different beliefs. Don't force down your beliefs for me. Name out my body hole. Don't force me to believe in what you believe in. Kiss me ass. Your beliefs, I'm good with that, but lick up my body hole if you want me to do it. You understand me? You see, how you believe in that? I'm glad for you and God go with you. I hope to see you in heaven one day, big homie, whatever the fuck. Yeah. But don't tell me to do it. Kiss my ass, alright? Please just eat me, okay? Alright? Eat me out. All the way out. Till there's nothing left. You feel me? Like, just eat. Turn me all the way the fuck up and just eat me the fuck out. You feel me? Just eat me out. Fuck. Oh yes, good here, you know some wife with me not ask. What you mean? You never said till death do us blood clot part Camille. Camille till death do us part because you fuck me now I was so sweet. I have a ball out all your blood clot name. So my time I say come, so take my blood clot through time, so take my blood clot. I never get a fucking on my own sweet piece of yet, so blood clot. No wonder me not married to Camille. Camille, you touch one different blood clot part in my crutches. You touch one different valve in the hole here. You find one blood clot valve in the hole here when nobody never find. The way how you chaka up this crutches here make my blood clot look when you don't fuck me. Drop asleep when I ask you, are you a fuckis? Are you a the real blood clot fuckis? Big up my husband Camille when I ask. And my blood clot man that no girl can talk to me about that the cocky there. I ask you right here.